I'm going to show you how you can stop your deployment workbench from crashing when you're accessing the Windows PE properties. So the issue is when you go to the properties of the deployment share and go to Windows PE, you'll get a snapping error saying that it's crashed. So the issue is it can't find a specific file which is located in this directory, which is on the C drive, Program Files, Windows Kits, 10, Assessment and Deployment Kit, Windows Pre-installation Environment, and then it's looking for a folder called x86, which doesn't exist because the latest version of the Windows PE ADK only includes the 64-bit versions. So to fix this, what you can do is copy the AMD 64 folder and then rename it to x86. And then now you've done that, the files it's looking for, even though they are the wrong version, the files are there. So if we just close this and then go back into our deployment workbench, right click on the deployment share and go to properties, we can now go to the x86 Windows PE tab because the files it's looking for are being found. Now the best thing to do is just untick x86 because the files that it's now finding are the 64-bit variant. So with this workaround, you can only deploy 64-bit operating systems because we've essentially just replicated the 64-bit folder and told it it's the 32-bit version. Now, if you are still deploying 32-bit operating systems, the best thing to do is go to the Windows ADK site by just searching for Windows ADK and then download and install the Windows ADK, and then download the Windows PE add-on for the ADK version 2004. And then if you just go to Programs and Features and then uninstall this one, the one that's for the Windows 11, and then install this one, and it should fix the error. So that is how to get around the issue of the Windows PE tab crashing in Microsoft Deployment Toolkit's Deployment Workbench.